We hadn't even landed on the moon yet, and there's a computer running this car. What we're going to look at today is the Conelec fuel injection on the Green Hornet. Now, it was so far ahead of its time, and it took really, as you say, a family to put it back together. First, we had to find somebody that knew something about him, and that was Chris Long. He is the son of the gentleman that designed the Conelec fuel injection and actually got to ride around in the Green Hornet in its day and adjusting the fuel injection, and he had a very good memory. It's a great story. Take a look.
The way we did this, the computer was brought out to the passenger seat through the firewall, and you had a little Phillips screwdriver on the potentiometer, and you go find an empty road and you'd put your foot to the floor and you would adjust that main control knob until you got a little lean. You feel the power drop off, and then you kick it back a little richer. That's how I was taught to do it. And we did every car that I went in. I was the guy holding the computer. In fact, after a while, he said he knew I had the touch. So I was the one adjusting the mixture.
The great thing about this is he is an electrical engineer like his father. So he had the advantage of being able to go through all the original vellums and understand what all the different circuit boards, but he needed the original throttle body and some of the parts inside of it, because the only ones he had seen and dissected were 2 barrels. So the original throttle body that came off of the Hornet, he scanned and had 3D printed and made a new throttle body for the Green Hornet, and then took all those electronics inside and duplicated them. Otherwise, he wouldn't have known exactly what the difference was between a 4-barrel and a 2-barrel and what ran the Hornet. Chris, in his attic, still had a bunch of injectors, because you can't make any more injectors, still had all the vellums, and had the desire and the knowledge. You need both of those to see the Green Hornet run again.